Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix printhead problem on HP Smart Tank 580 printer. Clean and reset printhead. Step 1. Check the ink tanks. Turn on the printer. Check all 4 ink tanks. Ensure the ink levels are above the minimum line. Verify that the tank caps are properly closed. Inspect the ink tubes for large air gaps. Step 2. Run printhead cleaning from the HP Smart app. Recommended. This is the safest and most effective method. Load plain white paper into the input tray. Open the HP Smart app on your computer or phone. Select your HP Smart Tank 580 printer. Click Tools or Print Quality Tools. Select Clean Printhead. Wait for the printer to print a test page. Examine the test page carefully. Step 3. Clean the printhead using the printer buttons. If you cannot access the HP Smart app, use the printer's built-in cleaning functions. Level 1. Printhead cleaning. Make sure the printer is powered on. Press and hold the power button for more than 4 seconds. While holding power, press the color copy button twice. Release the power button. Wait for the cleaning process to finish. Level 2. Printhead cleaning. Press and hold the power button. Press the color copy button twice. Press the black copy button once. Release the power button. Allow the cleaning cycle to complete. Level 3. Printhead cleaning. Press and hold the power button. Press the color copy button twice. Press the black copy button twice. Release the power button. Wait for the printer to finish the deep cleaning cycle. Step 4. Printer diagnostic page. Make sure plain white paper is loaded in the input tray. Press and hold the information button for about 5 seconds until all the control panel lights illuminate. Press and hold the color copy button for 3 seconds. Release the button and wait for the printer to print the print quality diagnostic page. Review the page for any missing colors, gaps, streaks, or broken lines. If defects are visible, run a printed cleaning cycle and print another diagnostic page to verify the results. Step 5. Perform a printer reset. Keep the printer turned on. Disconnect the power cable from the rear of the printer. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Wait for 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cable. Turn the printer back on and check if the printhead error has disappeared. Step 6. Reseat the printhead. Turn the printer on. Open the front access door. Wait for the carriage to move to the center. Carefully unlock the printhead latch. Remove the affected printhead. Check for dried ink, dust, or packaging material. Inspect the copper-colored electrical contacts. Gently wipe the contacts using a lint-free cloth. Reinsert the printhead firmly. Lock the latch securely. Close the access door and restart the printer. Step 7. Check for air in the ink system. If colors are still missing, open the printer cover. Inspect the transparent ink tubes. Look for large air bubbles. Run another cleaning cycle to help prime in the ink flow. Print several colored test pages. Air in the ink lines can prevent ink from reaching the printhead mist properly. Community reports show this is a common cause of missing colors after long periods of non-use. Step 8. Replace the printhead. The print warning light continues to flash. Cleaning cycles do not improve print quality. The printer repeatedly reports a printhead error. Colors remain missing after all troubleshooting steps. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.